Okay, in this one, we're going to walk through JAC Technology. This is my web portfolio site, and in this one, I just wanted an outlet at which I could share all of my projects, my learning, references, and everything in between. So here at the top, we have the home, content, and we have each of these categories: weekend tech nerd projects, resources, troubleshooting, tech notes. In the videos, we have the walkthrough category, resource category, device repair, and then this is the full video library. JAC, this is just the about section and skills. And we'll go ahead and walk through the main page. So right here, we have the brief about us section. Of course, a button to learn more. Next, we have weekend tech nerd projects. So in this area, what I typically try to do is share any of the projects that I've worked on throughout a weekend or throughout multiple weekends. And I just kind of walk through a recap of what that project was and how we worked through it. In these walkthrough videos, they will follow in alignment with a lot of these resources right here. So in these particular videos, we're sharing a file server setup on Ubuntu. In this next section, we have web projects. And here we either share code-along projects or personal projects. So this first one is a personal project, JAC Terminal. Then Omni Food Delivery, which is a code-along project. Then I believe a hotel site, which is also a code-along. And then this last one here is a banking site, which is also a code-along. So if we click, let's say, any one of these options here, it'll drop us into that live project, and we can view. And of course, we'll click out, go back. Then in the next section, we have resource guides. So here, these are kind of just reference guides that I created for myself. Comparing operating systems, transition from Windows 10 to 11, Windows 11 tips, command prompt, some Office tips, PowerShell, and of course, we have resource videos. As we can see, command prompt and PowerShell, so these kind of fall in alignment with these resources here. Next, we have troubleshooting guides. These guides, I just started creating like a series on any devices I started getting that were really troublesome and weren't like the quick and easy troubleshoot and repair. These are the actual concerns that stumped me for a little bit before I actually was able to resolve the issue. So I just kind of use CompTIA's troubleshooting methodology to work through these scenarios. And of course, we have some repair videos. These are on kind of like a time lapse, I believe 5x, where you'll see me, like tear down and repair a device. And in this last section, we have the skills. So just some course certificates of completing different courses and or projects. And at the bottom here, we have quick links to DataCamp, GitHub, LinkedIn, TryHackMe, and Codecademy. That way, if anyone wants to validate or verify any of these certificates or any of the above projects that I've built and or created. We're going to go ahead and go back to the top. And up here in the content category, you can click into any one of these categories and select into that particular project. As well for videos, we'll click into the library. And you can click into any one of these categories to get like a more focused view. And last but not least, we can click into the full view about section. I don't really feel like there's a need. We'll click into skills. And here, same thing, I just share all of the course certificates, project certificates, and so on. All right, that's pretty much it for this one.